Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can demo trade on Blofin. So let's get straight into it. So let's go to the blofin.com. So this is the trading app which has also availability for demo trading that we can learn. So log in, create your account. After you have done that, just go here to the features at the top, and at the bottom you will see demo trading. So click on that. Once we are inside the simulation interface, you will see, so usually we have 100k USDT in demo accounts. So if your balance is 0, look here around this map for the button faced or claim that you reset virtual assets. Then right here you can select the pair which you want to trade, and then here on the right side you have some options to set up everything and then buy or sell. And yeah, this is it. This is how you can demo trade in Blofin. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.